It was night time. The whole city was sleeping. But Bunty the thief and his teacher Rafiq were awake. Rafiq opened his old map and said, Bunty, knowing we will steal the world's most precious diamond, Nurehira. They say a magical genie protects this diamond, but I don't believe such stories. Bunty laughed and said, if we meet the genie, we will ask him to make us steal. Rafiq rolled his eyes and said, stop joking, Bunty. This job is only for the brave. Both quietly entered the museum. It was dark and silent. Only Bunty's socks made churr sound. Finally, they reached the big glass case holding Nurehira. The diamond was shining like the moon had fallen on earth. Bunty carefully broke the glass and touched the diamond. As soon as he touched it, there was a bright flash and a strong wind. Ustad, Bunty shouted. Suddenly, a big genie appeared from smoke. The genie roared, who dares to touch my diamond? Bunty got scared and said, I was just cleaning the glass. Rafiq screamed, run, Bunty, it's a real genie. Rafiq ran away, leaving Bunty alone. The genie said, I am the guardian of this diamond, Jinn Badrak. Every thief must face my test. If your heart is poor, you will be safe. If not, the police will find you. Bunty got nervous and said, test, please no studying, Mr. Genie. The genie laughed. No jokes now. You must answer 3 questions. Question number 1. If you see an old woman drop her money, what will you do? Bunty thought and said, I will give it back to her or my mom will scold me. The genie smiled. Good answer. You still have kindness in your heart. Question number 2. If you find God or truth, which will you choose? Bunty said, truth. God ends one day, but truth never gets old. The genie nodded. Excellent. 2 tests pass it. Question number 3. If you get another chance in life, will you stay a thief? Bunty said, no, I want to become a hero, not a thief. The genie raised his hands and said, congratulations, Bunty, you have shown the magic of your heart. And suddenly, the museum lights turned on. Bunty found himself standing outside the police station. The police officer came and said, Bunty, again in trouble. Bunty smiled and said, no, uncle, I will totally change. I want to help people now. The officer said, great, then we will make you a police helper. Bunty felt very happy. Just then Rafiq came back holding a small bag. Rafiq said, Bunty, let's run. I found another diamond. Bunty smiled and said, no, Ustad, I already found the diamond of truth. From the sky, Genie Badrak's voice echoed. Well done, Bunty. Now you are the guardian of truth. Rafiq made a sad face. Oh no, my little Bunty became a hero. Bunty laughed and said, Ustad, you should also stop stealing or the genie will test your next. Rafiq got scared and said, no way, I will become the mosque guard now. Both laughed and walked away towards a new life and a new lesson. Real magic is not in stealing, but in being honest and changing yourself. The one who learns from mistakes is the real hero. So kids, if you like the Bunty story, don't steal the remote. Just click like, subscribe and ring the bell before the genie appears to test you.